mantap. Sip.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Karuniakomputersintang channel. Have you ever experienced turning on your laptop, turning it on, but the screen is pitch black? Don't panic and don't rush to judge the LCD as totally damaged. Try grabbing your phone, turning on the flashlight, and shining it at the screen from close up like this. If you can still faintly see the Windows logo or an app icon, that means your LCD is actually displaying an image, but the backlight is dead. In this video, we'll thoroughly dissect the cause and how to fix it in 6 minutes. Using an external monitor, connect your laptop to a monitor or TV using an HDMI cable. If the image appears normally on the external monitor, the problem is likely with your laptop screen. Come on, let's take it apart. Now it's time to remove all the screws attached to the laptop casing. Okay, the first and mandatory step, unplug the charger and remove the laptop battery. This is crucial to prevent short circuits when removing the flexible cable.
Cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country.
Now, let's slowly open the LCD frame. Once the LCD screws are removed, lay the LCD down towards the keyboard. See this connector on the back? Peel off the protective tape, then pull the flexible cable straight back. Sometimes, the problem is simply due to dirty or damp brass pins. Open the frame carefully, don't break it. It turns out the LCD frame is very dirty and the inside is also very dirty. Let's immediately check the 19-volt line. Is there a short circuit?
Rockin' boots and white tee, designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm out it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it.
If the screen is still dark after cleaning but the image remains dark, we need to check the flex cable. Often, a micro cable inside the hinge is broken. The quickest solution is to double-check or try a new, identical flex cable. However, for those of you who are electrically savvy or technicians, if the flex cable has been replaced and the problem persists, it's likely a blown fuse in the 19V backlight circuit on the motherboard due to a minor short. The solution is to replace the fuse or replace this small component. However, if the LCD LED is broken, the last resort is to replace the entire LCD panel.
Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me.
The main suspect has been found, namely the capacitor and regulator IC for the 19-volt to 20-volt line are completely damaged. And this is the main suspect for the capacitor filling from the 19-volt line to the fuse line. So, why does the backlight stop working? Technically, there are usually 3 main problems. First, and most often, the LED flex cable is pinched or broken at the hinge due to frequent opening and closing of the laptop. Second, there's a problem with the backlight circuit fuse on the motherboard. And third, it's simply because the LED light inside the LCD panel is old or short-circuited. Before we move on to complex motherboard repairs, let's start with the most basic and often life-saving check. This time, the prime suspect is a small AISI capacitor. Now we test by turning on the laptop. Is the backlight on?
Oke, mantap. Sip.
In conclusion, if your laptop screen is dead, don't immediately panic and assume the LCD is cracked or damaged. Try the flashlight trick above to determine the cause of the damage. Hopefully, this short video tutorial will be helpful for those of you experiencing similar issues. Don't forget to click the like button if you like it, share it with your group or friends, and be sure to subscribe to the Karuniakomputersintang channel so you don't miss out on other service tips. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments section. I'm Andy Butarbuter, goodbye, greetings to technicians, and keep learning.